In this video, we're going to have our character look to where is walking, as well as having the character look to where we want to, by composing a twin stick setup with the help of Jolly's OrientateAction component. If you're coming from the previous video tutorial, you can still use the files provided in Jolly's package. If, however, you're working on a project, the prerequisites are a Jolly character setup by following the steps from the previous video, and an input actions asset with another vector 2-axis action for orientation, for example, the right stick. From the hierarchy, right-click on the character, and from Jolly, select Create Orientate Action on Character Updater. In the inspector, the Relative to Transform property makes use of a transform's forward orientation. If we choose our camera, it allows the character to react to the directional input according to where the camera is facing. This is present in both Move Action and Orientate Action components. Let's go ahead and assign our camera for both so that we can keep our movement and orientation consistent. Next, we're going to proceed with our twin stick setup. In the Orientate Action component, we need to set its orientation input to our player look input action so that the character faces this input's direction. Then, we need to set its movement input to our player move input action, which is going to be our fallback. If the orientation input receives no input, the character will face the movement direction instead. Lastly, to have better results, we'll expand the smoothing parameter and set its factor to 8 units per second. If we hit play, now the character is looking towards the direction we're walking, and playing with the orientation input, we can make our character walk while looking at a specific point relative to the camera. Let's see what happens when I rotate the camera from the inspector. As we can see, the character and input direction are reacting according to where the camera is facing. In the next video, we'll be making use of states and matchers to switch between multiple movement speeds.